back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Sarah and I hope you like it here. I hope you subscribe, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. You're a real one and I love you. Anyway, so I've been saying I'm going to do a giveaway for a while now, but then I just haven't gotten myself to do that. But then finally the giveaway is here. I'm going to be giving away a pair of Yeezy 700s in the color hospital blue, and I'm going to be giving away some hair. So if you want to know how to get into this giveaway, just stick around and keep watching. These are the shoes I'm going to be giving away. This is the Yeezy Boost 700 version 2. I believe that's what V means. I'm not so into shoes. Anyway, I'm going to be giving this away, but before I tell you guys about this giveaway, I'm going to be telling you guys about the brand that sent me this shoe. I actually already have a pair of these, and when they reached out to me and wanted to send me shoes, this was the only option I had, and I already had a pair, so I was like, you know what, I can just do a giveaway. So I had to pick a size, so I picked my size, which is size 39. So if you are not a size 39, I'm sorry, you probably can't get this, or maybe you could win this and give this to your sister, your friend, or whatever. Or if you don't win this, you could always win the bundles that I'm going to be giving away. So first of all, I'm going to tell you guys about the brand that sent me this shoe. So the brand that sent me this shoe is called Well Kick. They have a lot of shoes. They're very high quality sneakers. So whatever kind of sneakers it is you want to get, they can send that to you. All you need to do is like send them a picture and let them know what you want. And I'm also going to leave a link to their website so you can check it out and see all the kind of shoes that they have. Wide variety of shoes. Another thing is that before they send you the shoes, they always send a picture. So once you pick the shoe you want, and like you're talking to the representative, once they're done packaging your shoe and everything, they're going to send you a picture, and they won't send it out until you have confirmed that that is the correct shoe and all of that. So they always send a picture. Like before they sent this to me, they sent me a picture, like just to confirm that these were the correct shoes they were supposed to send to me. So whoever wins this, I'm assuring you that you're going to love this shoe, because I have a pair myself. I was so sad that I wasn't given the option to pick another kind of shoe, because I already had this type, but this was the only option I had to pick. So yeah, instead of keeping it to myself, instead of having two pairs, I'm going to be giving away one to you guys. So first of all, I'm going to do an unboxing and show you guys what the shoe looks like, just in case you didn't know. And I believe this shoe comes in different colors, and this one just came out September 28th, yeah, or September 29th or so once you open it, it came in another box, but then I wanted to make everything easier, so that was why I unboxed it already. So once you open it, this is what it looks like. I'm just going to show you guys this now. So this color is so beautiful, it is so unique. It's called Hospital Blue. I have a pair myself, you guys. So if you get this pair of shoes, if you get these shoes, then what wins? We're going to be twinning. Send a picture if you win it. This is what it looks like. So we have the laces here, and inside it just says Yeezy. Yeezy what? Yeezy, I can't read that word, I'm sorry. So this is what it looks like, you guys. The quality of this shoe is so good. I told you I have a pair myself, and this feels exactly the same. I'm showing you, this is what the back looks like. If you don't like these shoes, they have a lot of other shoes, and if you want to get a shoe from them, you can use the code Sarah, but without a H, which is SARA, to get $15 off of your order. I'm not going to be making any percentage from this, so this is just going to be a discount for you. If you use the code Sarah, you're going to get $15 off of your order. So yeah, I'm going to leave all the details to this in the description bar below, so you guys can go ahead and check them out. If you want this shoe, they have it. They have all the other colors and all of that. So whoever gets this shoe is going to be so lucky, because I have a pair myself, and I am telling you, these shoes are amazing. They are so freaking comfortable. Yeah. So yeah, this is what the shoes look like. If you, in case I'm just going to show the packaging again in case you're curious and you want to see what it looks like. So this, if you have a pair of Yeezys, you probably already know what the packaging. I'm going to leave their Instagram accounts, their websites, their WhatsApp, whatever social network you feel, email and all of that. I'm going to leave it so you can communicate with them in different ways. You can also order directly from their website, or if you want like a specific shoe that isn't on the website, you send them a picture and yeah, they're going to get that for you. They use DHL EMS to send, and they always send you a picture just to confirm before they send over these shoes to you. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I told you guys I got it in a size 39, which is a size 6, but then this is just what it says, so you guys can probably read the specs. Yeezy Boost 700 made by Adidas. Just in case you don't wear the size 39 or you're not really interested in shoes, I'm also giving away bundles, and I have 3 bundles of straight hair here. I have 22, 20 and 18 inches. I'm going to be giving away 3 bundles and a 16-inch closure. So you're going to be winning 3 bundles of straight hair and a closure. So yeah, so I'm going to have 2 winners. The first person is going to win the pair of shoes and the second person is going to win the hair. So I'm going to give you guys the rules of this giveaway. The first rule is you have to be subscribed to my channel, and if you are already a subscriber, just make sure that your post notification bell is on so you don't miss my uploads and you don't miss when I finally announce the winner. The second rule is to go ahead and follow my Instagram, which is at Kyola, and also follow my Twitter, which is at Kyola. Add me on Snapchat, which is just Kyola with 3 A's. I'm going to leave everything on the screen. And then the last rule is to comment below. I'm going to post this on Instagram. I'm going to leave a post of this on Instagram, so you comment below telling me, just so I can know your Instagram name, so when it's time to announce the winners, I will know who to pick. Tag at least 3 friends on the Instagram photo of this, because I'm going to be posting a picture on Instagram. Tag at least 3 friends on that post so they can see it and also join if they want. And the last rule is to comment below which of these you want to win. Do you want to win the bundles or do you want to win the pair of shoes? So yeah, that's basically it. Once you're done with that, just wait. I'm going to be announcing the winners in 3 weeks. Announcing it in one of my videos. I wouldn't specify in the title what video I'm going to be announcing it in, so if you just need to watch my videos for the next 3 weeks so you know. Once I contact you, you have 24 hours to reply to me. If you don't reply to me, I'm going to go ahead and pick another winner, so you guys need to be on the watch if you want to win this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.